What's poppin', what's Gucci, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So I recently just checked the mail and I got my letter from the DMV, which is not good news because it's my registration, which cost me about $606, and it's due in November, so that's gonna suck. But good news is I received another package from Hydrosilex, and I've been waiting for them for a little while now, and they were kind enough to send me some of their products. So let me go ahead and open the package real quick and show you guys what's inside. Here is what's inside the package. They were kind enough to send me not only their products, but some microfiber towels as well. So I am going to be heading to O'Reilly's right now to go get some car wash soap because, like I mentioned in the last video, I ran out of soap, so that's why I had to go wash it at the car wash place last time. But today I'm going to do a car wash here, really simple. I'm going to try to get it as clean as possible so that when I do apply this product, it's going to be as great as possible. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here. They didn't give me the spray bottle, which I kind of wanted and what I kind of expected, but they sent me two of these each. So it's the Hydrosilex Rewind and the Recharge. I forgot which one goes first. So here's the application method. I guess the first one is to rewind, and that gets rid of all the previous wax that's already on the car. So as you watch my other car washing video, I did end up waxing the car after I washed it. So this will help remove any wax so that it's going to be prepped for the next item, which is the recharge. So yeah, they sent me two of these each, so I hope that's going to be enough for the car. I think I'm going to start off with the front of the car and then go to the back of the car, and then I'll do the roof last or something, just because like no one can really see the roof, but if you're taking a look at the front of the car or the back of the car, that's something that you notice the most. So yeah, let's head over to O'Reilly's, get the car wash soap, come back here, wash the car, and then I'm going to pull into the garage so that I can get out of the sun. Okay, so here's their car wash, and I don't really know which car wash I'm gonna get. I'm gonna try to get one without wax, but it looks like everything has wax with it. Like this one, it's only $6, which is pretty good. And it looks like Meguiar's is all gone. Maybe that's like a really good one? Or unless it's this one, I don't really know. Okay, you guys, you saw me grab the other bottle, but I found this one randomly in like the front shelf. It was literally like the last one left, so it's the Meguiar's. I hope I'm saying it right. I have a really bad pronunciation with names if you couldn't tell already, but it's their wash and wax. I could do without the wax, but that Hydrosilex is going to remove it anyways. I just want the car clean first. So let's go ahead and go home and clean the car. Okay, so I haven't used this tool in like forever, but I'm gonna try it for the sake of the video. So I'm not gonna show the car washing process, but here's before and here's after. Alright, you guys, I just washed the car, now I have to dry it. And once I'm fully dried with the car, or once I fully dry the car, I'm gonna move the car inside the garage so that it's out of the sunlight and there's no ashes in the air or anything like that. It's just gonna be a clean environment, and that's when I'll get started with the ceramic coating. So see you guys in a bit. Finally backed into the garage. I had to move the other car out and then move this car in, which was not easy because the garage is really not that wide and it's really taken up by like other stuff in here. So whew. But yeah, I'm excited to start the ceramic coating process, and hopefully you guys can hear me because there's a lot of noise outside. But let me go ahead and grab out the products real quick and let's get started. Oh, and keep in mind, you guys, when you are doing this, or if you plan on using Hydrosilex, make sure your car is completely dry before you apply this on. So every time you apply this product on, you're supposed to wipe it right afterwards in like a wavy motion. So I'll show you guys how to do it right now. Here's what the Rewind looks like. So it's just the cloth. I hope it stays wet because it's a big car. And it smells really good too. Alright, so I just did this panel. Now it's time to dry it off. we just got done with the rewind, and all this time I thought it was the actual ceramic coat for some reason. I don't know, it's just really hot, and I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible, but I want to do a good job at it as well. So just looking at the car right now, it looks really clean. Like, I don't think I've ever had the car this clean before, not including the inside, but the outside just looks extremely shiny, and I don't know if that's because the wax is off. That doesn't really make sense, but now we're gonna do the Hydrosilex recharge, which is the actual ceramic coating. I'm really excited about this one. I don't know how it's gonna go, but for a first time installation, this is pretty easy to do. Couple hours later, I am finally finished, you guys, and it looks amazing. I can see the shine even though it's not super sunny outside, and I can only imagine what it'll look like after a car wash. But since I already washed my car, I am not gonna wash it again because I am super tired. It is almost 4 o'clock right now. I think I started at 2, so it took about 2 hours to complete this entire project. Overall, I would say that this project was pretty simple to do. I've never ceramic coated a car before. I've never done anything like this, so if you are a beginner and you want to try something out like this, don't be shy to do it. Honestly, it only takes a couple of hours of your time, and in the end, you're gonna be amazed with the results. Like, you're gonna be amazed with what you can do when you just put a couple hours in during the weekend or whenever you want to do this stuff. But since my mic is horrible when I'm not pointing at myself, let me go ahead and flip the camera over, show you guys what it looks like, and I'll see you in a second. Well, there you guys have it. I ceramic coated my Tesla Model 3. Again, it was super easy to do, and I got this ceramic coat project from Hydrosilex, so I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to check out their products. And I know it's kind of hard to tell through the camera what the car looks like, but I can assure you the car does look a little bit more shinier. One thing that I wish they had done though is I wish they had sent me one of those bottles instead, because 2 wipes, that was barely cutting it. I honestly was using it to the very end. So what I had to do was I had to get some water, and I figured that there would still be some solution in the towel itself. So I just added a little bit of water and just ran through the glass. On top, I made sure all the white parts of the car, the actual painted pieces, were all covered by the ceramic coat. So yeah, if you guys are to order this product, I'll leave a link down below. Again, I am not sponsored by them or anything. They were just kind enough to send me the products for free for me to test out. So first impressions, it looks really nice. It looks really glossy, and I can't wait to take my car out maybe tomorrow when I go to the gym, and perhaps I'll make a story on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, it's down below. Make sure to follow me on social media so you are updated on whatever I do next. But yeah, I can't even talk right now, you guys. I am super tired. I am sweating all over. There is a mark on my forehead from my GoPro. But I hope you guys enjoyed the different angles, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video overall. But as always, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.